Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. It's your boy Dominic Mu, and today we are in Jinja Town. So in today's video I'm going to be showing you how the streets of Jinja look like. If you're new on the channel guys, consider subscribing. Let's go and enjoy this video. We have just arrived in Jinja right now. That's the road that comes from Kampala, and this way, this is Jinja Town. We're about to meet the new bridge. Besides me is the Nile Breweries just over there. I told you it's a highway, so we have speedy vehicles over here. The old Jinja Bridge. This is the bridge. I think it was the first bridge to be constructed in the country. When I stand here and change my camera the other way around, you can be seeing the new bridge the other way. On my left, there is the hydropower plant, the Nile River. Without this, we can't have electricity in Kampala. We can't have electricity in any part of the country. So, this is where we get our electricity from. I'm crossing the River Nile right now. You can't pass at this place if you have never come here. You'll have a lot of tension. Are you seeing? That's water. So, the water is not falling at a high speed today, but that's the waterfall. I guess you're seeing it. That is it. That's the waterfall. Okay, that's the River Nile. We are on the Kampala Jinja Highway. At this point, you see, this leads to the Jinja Kampala Highway. It's a very nice road. Oh my God. Whew. This place is growing so fast. So, you see, those are residential apartments. Very nice. Where the rich people in Jinja reside, maybe. May give you every detail I've ever been here. This is how the bridge looks like. Down there is the River Nile. Are you seeing those cables they used? They're very strong cables. Are you seeing how smart? This is Uganda guys. It's the Pearl of Africa. I'm not in Asia, and neither am I in Europe, but I'm in Uganda, Africa. This is the beauty of Africa. Africa is beautiful. Uganda, subscribe to the channel. So, this bridge, I told you, they don't allow people who use motorcycles to use this bridge. I guess you haven't seen any motorcycle yet. And that's the reason. They don't allow motorcycles on this bridge. From here, I'm going to go and show you the very oldest. The other one was oldest, but the other one is the very oldest. It's the train bridge, the first in Uganda, the whole of Uganda. You have a very beautiful country. That's the textile factory on my left. Makes uniforms for armies. I used to work here. So that's why I know. The bridge is just next to this factory. Okay. That's the bridge. Now above this bridge, on top of this bridge, if I reach the other side, I'll show you. The train passes on top of this bridge. It was the first bridge to be constructed. I'm saying, if you think I'm lying, this is the River Nile. So this is the bridge. As I told you in my first video, motorcycles and pedestrians are the only people vehicle can use this bridge. No vehicle could use this bridge. If it was there, maybe we had to first wait for that vehicle to cross, for people from this other side to come. I don't know. From here, I'm going to be heading to Jinja Town to give you every detail of how the town looks like. I hope you enjoy. Center of the town. The oldest building in the country. That is it. It was constructed in 1919 by Indians called the Madipan. I see. That is it. 1939, another one there. Those are the oldest buildings. And here we have the Iga Plaza. It's a hotel. This guy owns petrol stations and hotels and restaurants. I see. This is Jinja Post Office. The DHL. The street is looking very nice with the lights installed everywhere. So I think this is the administrative part. That is the office of the city council in Jinja. This is Stanbic Bank. Residential. Presidential. Yeah. You take me. So guys, we're heading to where the president lives. Net about to party today. Okay. So, the office of the president.
It's the house.
The house?
Yes.
The state house in Jinja?
Yes, that is the.
Oh, when he comes in Jinja, that's where he lives.
Yes.